In a bowl, add cabbage, capsicum, and shredded carrots. To that, add 4 tablespoons mayonnaise. You can add little more if you want. Now mix it really well. Add salt and pepper and mix it again. Now take 2 white breads. You can also use multigrain bread here. Cut off the sides. Grill them until they become brown. Now take it out. Apply the tomato ketchup all over the bread. Add the prepared stuffing. Spread it evenly. Now add cucumber slices, onion slices. Place another bread on top. Add the filling. Add tomatoes. And shredded cabbage. Now take another bread slice, apply tomato ketchup and mayonnaise together. Spread it evenly. Now place it to make the sandwich. Insert the toothpicks in the border to retain the shape of the sandwich. Now cut it in half. And your delicious club sandwich is ready. Bye!